This is my third Christmas escaping away on my own. I'm comfortable in my own company. I always have been. I'm at my best when things are quiet, when my time is my own, when my thoughts aren't being interrupted by messages or phone calls, or just noise for noise sake. I had made lots of plans for this trip. It's 2 nights away. I'd earmarked hills and numerous cycles and walks, with the view to just see how I feel on the day. If I don't feel like doing it, don't do it. I find that hard sometimes. I've made plans. I'll push myself to do them regardless. I'm getting better as I get older. I do try and keep my routine something similar when I'm away in the van. I don't need constant noise or interaction to feel alive. Quiet suits me. Solitude isn't isolation, it's an intention. I've got loads of really good jackets, but I insist on wearing this really old one, which is just so comfortable. It's my default jacket for everything. Yay! So this bike ride I'd planned, it was just short of 17 miles. In the first half, 8.5 miles or so, slightly downhill, which is great when you're 17.5 stone. Not so good the other way. But it was a beautiful day, as you can see. Cold, clear. Just heading into Newton Moor. Been past this Newton Moor grill quite a few times. I've never actually been in yet. Must make that effort one day. Could go in, but it's full of people.
Right, back to the van.
I was a good bit slower going back the way. Generally eat all the same meals at home as well, a meal prep, so I've always got lunches and dinners. Just helps you maintain getting the amount of protein a day I need to keep going, keep training, keep going as long as I can. This poor wee thing kept headbutting the wire fence, but you can't charge past these road deer because they will run out in front of you so fast. Managed to get by him before he did himself any damage. There were pheasants everywhere in this area. The most stupid birds on the planet. Doesn't get much sun on this side of the glen, so the loch was actually frozen over. Wouldn't have been that thick, but it was, yeah, been cold down here for a while. This stag was so tame, he wasn't bothered by me at all. You can actually see the antlers coated in frost as well. He was a big fella. prefer my cup of soup to what that stag was trying to eat.
Comes to the sear dumbbells as well, like we don't really know how it's going to be lined up. Is it going to be 2 dumbbells, 6 dumbbells? Like 2020, the heaviest weight was 320 pounds.
Could be 2 dumbbells, yeah.
And we don't have the legs.
Could be 6. We'll see.
I do enjoy strongman training and keeping up with what's happening in the strongman world.
Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip, the music's for the sad man. Can you imagine when this race is won? Turn out the faces into the sun. Breezing our leaders, we're getting in tune, the music's playing by the madman. Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever, forever young. I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Some are like water, some are like the heat. Some are a melody and some are the beat. Some are all until all will be gone. Why don't they stay young? It's so hard to get old without a cause. I don't want to perish like a fleeting horse. We'll like diamonds in the sun, and diamonds are forever. So many adventures couldn't happen today. So many songs we forgot to play. So many dreams swinging out of the blue. But let 'em come true.
It was a beautiful glen, this. First time we've been up this glen. Very quiet. To be expected at the time of year and the time of day. I was heading home quite early. I'd escaped Christmas for the 3rd year. Enjoyed my little break, my little time away from the chaos